Are you ready to take the first step into the exciting world of coding and machine learning? Introducing Chapter 1 of our skill development program, Python, designed for those eager to learn foundational Python concepts and apply them in real-world biological data analysis. In this hands-on session, you'll master essential Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn for data manipulation and visualization. With real-time experience, work on biological datasets to strengthen your skills. No installation required. With Google Colab, you can instantly run and execute your Python code, making learning simple and accessible. Get access to pre-prepared Python scripts, cheat sheets, and practice materials to enhance your learning. Did you know Python was first released in 1991 by Guido van Rossum? It has grown into a powerful tool, now boasting over 300,000 libraries, widely used in bioinformatics, data analysis, and beyond. Join us on this coding journey with BioPractify and unlock endless possibilities in the world of Python and machine learning. Enroll today and take your first step towards mastering Python.